Investing in Health Part 3 Vaidya, Dilip, Gadgil, Pune. So I was just emphasizing on investing in health rather than doing expenses regarding health. This concept is quite new, and so we need to elaborate on this more. Basically, there was a green revolution and white revolution around 60-70 years before, in which the hybridized seeds and hybridized cows were introduced, and initially they yielded very good results. So the hybridized cow used to give 25 to 30 liters of milk a day, and there was an increase in the crops. So all farmers were swept away by this, and they turned towards this chemical farming. One of the major culprit in this is hybridization. The seed companies, in order to sell the seeds every year to the farmers, made some changes, mutations in the genes, so that the yield that you get is infertile. You can't sow those seeds which you get from these crops, and you have to buy the seeds every year from the seed company. As a result, the farmers lost their seed banks. Previously, the farmers used to preserve good seed for sowing in next year and then consume the rest one. But unfortunately, the farmers were dependent now on the seed companies for this, and these seeds don't have their own natural immunity. So they are susceptible to varieties of diseases for which prophylactic use of pesticides was introduced, and these are all chemicals. So we started putting poison in our own food around 60-70 years before. Moreover, as the cattle got lessened, and the natural fertilizer in the form of gobar or gomutra, etc., cow urine and cow dung, so was the need of chemical fertilizers, and again we started adding chemicals in our own food. So this has led to the pollution of the soil, the water, the air, the food material, the crops and the animals and everything, other trees, etc., etc. So we have spoiled the whole ecology, and thus marching towards varieties of diseases. Cancer, heart disease, diabetes, etc. are on rise worldwide. And the basic reason is change in farming. So what we need to do is get back to natural farming once again, and then desi cow is the most important aspect in this. Subhash Palekar says that one cow is capable for natural farming of 30 acres of land. It gives 10 kilograms of cow dung every day, which is sufficient for 1 acre land for 1 month, and thus it can be satisfying 30 acres of land, one cow, only one cow. But I feel we should also emphasize on milk and milk products beside this, and so we need to use desi cows which are able to produce milk as well, and then we can prepare jivamruta from this gomaya, gomutra and chana dal, etc., and then circulate it in our farms. So that's a natural fertilizer for the plants, and even we can prepare natural pesticides from this, which are organic or not unnatural, and preserving the ecology of the water, soil, air and everything, atmosphere, etc. So if we start doing that, then it will be very beneficial not only to us but the whole living world.